Hey y'all, I'm going to try this with this iPad. We'll see how it does. We're on this problem, 15.3. And you have biaxin. And it states that you are dealing with a kid who weighs 20 pounds. So, of course, the first question they ask you is, what is the child's weight to the nearest tenth? I know it's got jankified stuff on there, but here we go. So we're going to take it and do 20 pounds divided by 2.2. You know that. Here, let me just write it. 20 lbs divided by 2.2. And that's going to equal, we'll do it down here, 9.09 kilograms. And we're working it out to one place after, unless the instructions tell us differently. So the 9 will make the 0 a 1, and that will equal 9.1 kilograms. All right? Now, what is the recommended dosage per day for this child? You have to come down here to the bottom. And it says, for children, it's 15 milligrams per kilogram per day divided in 2 equal doses. 15 milligrams, that's my dog, per kilogram per day. So it's 15 milligrams per kilogram. This is per day dose. It's not per individual doses per day. What this tells you is 15 times every single kilogram that person got. You're going to multiply it. Well, we got 9.1. Chance, stop. Fifteen times 9.1. That's going to be 1365 milligrams per day. Okay? Look, we saved them. Yay, us. All right, number 3 says, how many milligrams will this be per dose? Well, remember down here, it said it had to be in 2 equal doses divided into that. So what we're got to do is we got to take this and divide it by 2 to find out what the manufacturer says is safe to give a kid with that many kilograms. So we'll divide it by 2, and you see it is 68.25 milligrams. And you know the 5's going to make the 2 a 3. So it would be 68.3 milligrams per dose. It's important that you see the difference. Help them see it, God. And look, we saved them. See? Yay. All right, number 4 says the order is to give 62.5 milligrams twice a day. Is this dose reasonable? As long as the dose is less than what the manufacturer suggests, yeah, it's reasonable. If it was above this number, no, I'm not giving it. You bring your little narrow behind up here, Mr. Maine, but Julie Fletcher ain't giving it. Anyway. So look at number 5. How many milliliters will you need to administer for this dose? What dose? That's 62.5 milligrams. So what he wants is 62.5 milligrams. What I've got is on the front of this vial. 125 milligrams per 5 mLs. So we're going to set it at 125 milligrams times 5 mLs. And then we're going to do the math. That divided by that times that. 62.5 divided by 125 equals times 5 equals. And you will give 2.5 milliliters. All right? Look, we saved them 2.5. The last one says, how much water must you add as diluent to prepare this oral suspension? It tells you that up here at the top of this. You have to be able to read this. It says, constituting instructions. Sometimes it may say reconstituting. Volume of water, 55 mLs. You see that? Because this sucker right here is powder. And so you have to put a liquid in there. And specifically for this one, it's water. 55 milliliters. Once you shoot it in and shake it up, the strength of that is going to be 125 milligrams per 5 mLs. You can find the information in this part of the manufacturer instructions, but you better know where to find it. You see? All right, I believe you do. Okay, so the diluent will be 55 mLs, and look, sure enough, we saved them. Yay, us. Okay? Now, this one is 15.4. And it's talking about this thing right here. And number 1 says, what is the dosage range in milligrams per kilogram per day for mild to moderate infections? So you have to come down here. You want to read it all, but where we're looking is right here. For mild to moderate severe infections, the total daily dose of 25 to 50 milligrams per kilogram, approximately 10 to 20 milligrams per pound of body weight given in 3 or 4 equal doses. Okay? And then it goes on, for severe infections, the total daily dose may be increased to 100 milligrams per kilogram or 40 milligrams per pound of body weight. Safety for use in premature infants and neonates has not been established. So we wouldn't give this to a premature infant or a brand new, out his mama neonate. Okay. Now, it wants to know the dose range for mild to moderate, specifically in milligrams to kilograms. You're answering the question asked. It's going to be 25 to 50 milligrams per kilogram. And look at number 1. Sure is. We saved them. Number 2. What is the dose range for mild to moderate infections in milligrams per pound a day? Let's go down here to your handy dandy label. And it said approximately 10 to 20 milligrams per pound. And look, sure enough, that's right. Look at 3. The total dosage will be divided into how many doses per day? Remember, we read that. It said in 3 to 4 equal doses. Okie doke. In severe infections, what is the maximum daily dosage recommended in milligrams per kilogram and milligrams per pound? Remember, it said 100 milligrams for a severe infection, for severe infections. Milligrams per kilogram, 100, or 45 milligrams per pound. And look, we saved them.